Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an SEO expert and an owner of a Google Partner Company. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, hello, I am new to the SEO world. Congratulations and welcome to SEO. How relevant are backlinks? Can you score high without them, and how do you get yours? Okay, so you have asked three questions. So the first is, how relevant are backlinks? Okay, as per been working in the SEO field from back in 2003, 4, and now it's 2024. And being on my 20 years of experience with SEO, I have seen the relevancy of backlinks, and I can confirm that yeah, backlinks do matters when it comes to ranking with SEO. However, the pattern or the style have been changed. If I talk about previously, it was a time when we could easily get ranked through just a link of a demos. Now demos is no more valid. There was a time when the directory submission backlinks were had a huge value. Now they do not have much value. There was a time when forum submissions, blog commenting has a huge impact. Things have changed. The anchor text also have a very crucial role. And then when the PR was introduced, and suddenly all the pages got PR 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and everyone was targeting to get links from the PR based pages. And then Google introduced trust bank, then trust rare rank, then Google introduced relevancy. So yeah, relevant backlinks are very good. How relevant are backlinks? So backlinks are good as long as they are relevant. Okay, so if you are getting relevant backlinks, then you can rank with them. Okay, yeah. And the anchor text is through which you are ranking. For instance, if I have a word I'm targeting on, I want to rank on how to make money online. Okay, I can use different combinations. But now, for if this keyword, if this keyword makes a clickable link and goes to my blog like aliza.co, it's going to be the anchor text. Okay, so relevant anchor with relevant backlink from the relevant website do have an impact. Now your second question, can you score high without them? Okay, now if you ask me, I'm a guy of a little of impatience. But apart from, I have also done various case studies, and I've also taught to various students regarding SEO. And we have seen several cases where we are able to optimize and get our websites ranked even without a single backlink. So yeah, we can rank without a single backlink. But yeah, backlinks also do help in ranking. Okay, there are various factors, and I believe that backlinks is still one of the most strong factor in ranking. But that is not the only factor. You may need multiple factors to get your website ranked on. So backlink is one of them. That is a very important aspect, so to get around. But yeah, you can rank without them. You can target on low keyword basis. You can do like targeting on relevant pages. Like you can tag other keyword, like slightly less keyword based pages, uh, keywords to rank on. You can rank your other inner pages through that. You can do interlinking for that, and you can do a lot of stuff by even working out on what your competitors are doing on. So now how I get mine? Okay, there are ways through which number one is guest posting is various famous method to get your ranked on. Like someone posting on my website, or I'm posting on someone website and getting a backlink from them. Like it's a post someone has done on my blog, and you can see that that is linking back to tiny ranker. So now I can get links by posting on someone other's website. I can also do interviews. Let me show you that as well. I have done interviews, and when I do interviews, people also happily show them that like I have been interviewed on that page. So that is how I get backlinks. I have done roundups, and through roundups I got many backlinks from other people as well. So this can be another aspect as well. I'm going to show you, like in here, people, I'm giving links to their website and their Twitter pages. And now I'm some like proudly they get mentioned on the website, like I got featured on this blog. So that also helps. you know that can be also another way. There is another way is you can write on comments on different blogs in the comment section, like this comments, and people often get a backlink through that can be another way as well. You can do interviews, you can do roundups, you can publish another. But a quality content is, I luckily got a chance, when I got an authority in my subject in digital marketing, and people started linking my blog. Like when I consider Neil, like here I'm considering as a, Neil Patel as an industry SEO expert. That is how people started linking me, that this is an SEO expert, watch this our blog. So that is how I also got backlinks. So making yourself as an industry expert can also help you in getting backlinks. So these are the few genuine ways through which I think you can get backlinks, and I hope that this answers your question as well on how do I get mine. So if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And in case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, SEO services, or you reach my team, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description, and we can get started with it. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.